It is time for these T-bones to go on there. Get them smoked up. Look at here, look at here, look at here, look at here. I got these T-bones for you, baby. Yes, sir. This is one of my favorite cuts. And this is one of my favorite cuts growing up as a kid. Now, I know everybody's favorite cut right now is ribeye, but that wasn't always a thing. I'm an older fella. I know. It was always T-bone and porterhouse. Telling you how I grew up. But we going to get to these T-bones and we going to season it up the way that you can't mess up. I was going to be like, let me add a rub and all that stuff, but you know what? We going to do it, show the people how to do it, that you can't mess up. So first we're just going to start out with this old diamond crystal kosher salt, just like that. This is where you can't mess up. Like that on each side, a little pepper. Plus T-Bone sound cool. Just like a nickname. What up, T-Bone? Just like that episode of Seinfeld. You had George Costanza, he wanted to change his name to T-Bone because it sound cool. T-Bone, baby. Alright, see, just like that. Pretty much the basis to any good beef. Salt and pepper. Before you do anything, if it's your first time, let's go salt and pepper. Just like that. Alright, so I'm going to let these hang out for about an hour. I'm about to go get my smoker up to temp. And I'm going to smoke these bad boys. And they going to be good. Oh, yeah. It is time for these T-bones to go on there. Get them smoked up. Yes, baby. Let them go just like that. I'm going to check on them in about a half an hour. I just want to get them up to about 130 degrees, and then I'm going to reverse sear them on the cast iron. Just like that. All right, 30 minutes. All right, half an hour mark. We got to take them off. 141. 139. So yeah, take these off so we can do a sear on them. We got our smoke on them that we want. Definitely don't want to overcook those beautifuls. All right, let's go inside and sear them up. Yeah, baby. That smells so good. You smell that smoke coming out over there. I'm gonna eat it like that, like a caveman. Straight beef, baby. Not only is it what's for dinner, it's morning time. It's what's for breakfast. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Yeah. We ain't gonna do it too long because, like I say, y'all, we want to at least be, medium, at least medium. Now, Shawan, you like your steak well done, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That's about all I want for this one. All right, I'm going to let it cool. We're going to test it up, y'all. And Shawana's going to be well done. All right. We'll be right back. Let it cool off. All right. We had it resting long enough. All right. Cut straight down. That T. What's the T? What we got? We got more of a medium steak. So still good. You see how that meat came? Mm-hmm. Oh man. Boy, we clowning. Man. Well, baby, you can tell how moist that is. Look at that. Woo. Mm-hmm. Oh man. See, the medium ain't too bad. I wanted to be medium rare, but that ain't too bad, is it, baby? Still juicy. Salt and pepper only, y'all. Salt and pepper only. As you see, I'm just eating me some meat. Eating me just some meat for breakfast. Get my protein. First thing. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all for watching. Super simple. Super delicious. Keep on watching. We gonna keep on cooking. The summer is coming. Man, we about to really be outside having some fun. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Check out the next video in the end caps. Peace.